Welcome to the Cell Programmer channel. In this video, we will be dealing with embedded functions. I know what you're saying, embedded functions, but we just started. That's way too advanced. I mean, something like what's on screen now is just way too complicated. I know what you're thinking. You saw that line and thought that's way too complicated. Well, if you break it down, it's easier to understand, just like programming. This is some PHP code that I wrote. If you break it down, it's easier to understand. But we will not be writing PHP code on this channel. Besides, Excel really simplifies things because you don't have to come up with names for variables. You can just use cell references. If you copy a cell reference in a formula down or up, the cell reference will automatically update the cell reference row. A1 will become A2 and so on. If you copy it horizontally, it will put B where A should be and so on. Here we are adding 1 to a number. What if I wanted to add 4? Well, in order to reference a cell, like the one I have the number 4 in, I would have to create an absolute reference, meaning that I would have to put a $sign in front of the column letter and a $sign in front of the row number. When you click on the cell in the formula, you can tap F4 and it will go to an absolute reference. What if I wanted to write hello in column B, but only in cells where in column A it is above the value of 35? In order to do this, we need an if statement. First, we need to compare column A, and if it is over 35, we have to do something in if it's true, hello, if it's true, and something if it's false, we put a blank space if it is false. And so we copy this down, and what do we have? We copy this down, and hello. Okay, but what if we only wanted to write it in 4 cells down to 49? Well, we need to embed an if statement in our already existing if statement, and we put it where hello was. So we just put an if statement here, and we say A1 is less than 50. If true, we want it to say hello. If false, we want it to have a blank space. What is all this going to look like when we type it into Excel? Well, let's condense it down to one line. This is what we type in cell B1 and then copy it down. Congratulations, you have now embedded an if function in an if function. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.